This is insane, guys. I just created these amazing looking business websites in just a few minutes. And the best part, I used completely free AI tools and resources. And guess what? You can do it too, even if you don't know how to code. In this video, I am going to show you the complete process step by step. So this tutorial is going to be 100% beginner friendly. And if you are a freelancer, side hustler, or someone looking for a new way to make money online, this opens up a new whole world of possibilities. You can create professional website like this for local businesses and potentially sell them for hundred or even thousands of dollars. And I am going to take it one step further. I will show you how to create these websites, turn them into real working websites and host them on a free server. So you can get your own custom live link without spending anything. So if you are interested in learning how to build professional AI powered business website without writing a single line of code, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So in order to create free professional website like that, first of all, we will need an image inspiration. For that, you can simply go to Pinterest and search for the kind of website you are looking for. For example, I have searched interior design website, and as you can see, there are lots of options available, and you can download any image inspiration you like, and after that you can simply upload it to ChatGPT and give it a simple prompt that, for example, I am creating the real estate website over here. So I have pasted a prompt that please analyze the website hero section and give me the prompt to create a full-fledged website out of it with class morphism effect and everything else from header to footer, and it will give you a detailed prompt which you can simply copy it, and after that you can go to the Google AI Studio website. Okay, simply open it and go to the new app and paste your prompt what you just copied from ChatGPT. And after pasting your prompt, simply hit enter and it will start doing all the heavy liftings and create an amazing looking website for you within minutes. So let's wait for it while the Google AI Studio is doing all the heavy work for us, and it will also give you lots of options to choose from, 4 to 5 variations, out of which you can choose the one which suits as per your need. For example, I am liking this kind of design, the professional punchy design, and after that we have this bento grid design as well. So you can choose any design you like as per your need. I am going with this professional polish, and after that select this design, and Google AI Studio will do all the heavy work and create the full website for us. So let's wait for it, and meanwhile let me show you the 2 more websites I have already generated using Google AI Studio. As you can see, this one is for restaurant website which is selling burgers and lots of other options. Okay, so it has created all the banners for us, the CTAs, the color selection and everything else. Okay, I just given it a inspiration with nice prompt, and it has created this kind of fully functional website for us within minutes, on which you can sell any kind of items you like, and it's going to impress any restaurant owner out there. Okay, so you can simply sell this kind of website for 1000 to 2000 USD to any local business in USA or Europe. Okay, so that's an incredible thing, guys, and even if you are a beginner, you can do it simply by writing some prompts. Okay, you don't need to have a coding knowledge, you don't need to have a coding background or software engineering as your certification. You can do it now with the use of AI. Okay, you don't need to create this kind of amazing images. Okay, and Google AI Studio will do everything for us. It will write copies, it will create images, it will create structure and everything else, and also the editings in this kind of website is very easy. You just need to simply give it some prompt and it will do all the necessary modification or updates you have asked for. Okay, so this is amazing. Let me show you the another website I have created. It's for a dental business. Okay, as you can see, it has the featured image of a dentist, and after that the kind of services they offer. Okay, so you can create a fully customized website for them. You can simply fetch the data for any business out of Google business profile, and after that you can give the images, the reviews and everything else, and it will create a fully custom made website for that particular business, which you can simply call or email them to pitch. Okay, So as you can see, there are the doctors images over here. Okay, you can simply customize them and you can put their social media links on it. Or after that, we have the before and after images and everything else. Okay, so it's gonna impress any dentist out there and it's looking amazing. I mean, if you consider the amount of work we put, just 5 to 10 minutes, then it is incredible, guys. Okay, with the power of AI, we have the gallery section as well, in which you can simply swap the images and it will be fully ready for any customized dental business out there. So it is pretty insane, guys, for any non-coders out there. Okay, so you can now simply create this kind of website all for free, and I will show you guys how to host this website on a free server as well. So let me show you how can you simply edit this kind of website. For example, there are some social media icons missing over there, so I am gonna go to Google AI Studio and I have given a simple prompt that please fix the social media icons with the correct icons. Okay, and Google AI Studio has done all the heavy lifting, so let's verify it and check this out, guys. Amazing. So we got it fixed within seconds. It is amazing the kind of speed this website has, the kind of design and everything else. Also, our website is ready, what we were creating right now. So let me simply refresh this and show you guys how it looks. And check this out, guys. Amazing. This is pretty unique and insane design for any real estate business out there. And check out this mouse cursor, it has the explore button on it. Okay, and this image has view button on it. So it is amazing, guys. Okay, so it's not any kind of traditional real estate website you can see here and there. No, it's fully customized and amazing looking design, which is pretty unique to any business, and you can customize it further to match the vibe of any kind of businesses you are going to pitch. Okay, so this is insane, guys. Amazing. All the sections we have, the images, the journal section over here. Okay, so this is insane. I mean, just look at this. After that, we have this kind of testimonials, which is pretty unique, and this kind of amazing looking CTA banners and everything else with the contact form, which you can simply integrate it with any email you want to receive on. Okay, so this is amazing. Now let me show you how can you simply customize the hero section of this website to match our vibe more closely. Okay, so in order to do that, let me simply upload the original image we had for the hero section. Let me simply accept this acknowledgement, and after that, let me simply type a simple prompt that please use the attached image inspiration of the hero section and modify our current hero section on the website to make it look similar to this. Okay, so we are not going to copy any design, we are going to just take some inspiration and it will do all the heavy liftings and create amazing looking websites for us within minutes. Okay, so this is how you can simply create any custom websites out there and you can sell it for a good amount. Okay, so while Google AI Studio is doing all the heavy liftings, let me show you how can you change the models. Okay, so for now we are using Gemini 3.1, but I will suggest you to go with Gemini 3.7 Flash because it's latest model and it's pretty fast and gives amazing results. So I have selected that model. So from now on, all the tasks will be performed with Gemini 3.7 Flash. Amazing. So our website is ready. Check this out, guys. Amazing. Just look at the hero section. I mean, this is pretty insane, and in few minutes it has changed the complete look of our hero section to match our vibe. Okay, so this is insane. I mean, incredible results. Okay, so this is how you can simply modify any kind of website you have created. And for now, as you can see, the images are pretty jumbled over here and it's not organized in the collection sections. Okay, so let me show you how can you simply fix this kind of issues. So let's go to Google AI Studio again and type a simple prompt that modify the collection section with nice images and organize it for the better look and consistency. Okay, and after that simply hit enter and it will do all the heavy liftings and it will simply change the look of our current section. So let me wait for it while it's doing its job. And amazing, our website is ready. Let's check it out and verify the collection section, and check this out, guys. Amazing. Now it's looking pretty organized and consistent. So this is how you can modify anything on the website which you don't like. Okay, and you can simply get this done within minutes. So this is how you can create a website. Now let me show you how can you host this website for free using completely free sources. So in order to do that, let's click on leave full screen, and after that click on this publish button. Okay, and you have two options. Either you can use the Google inbuilt system of publishing this website with a URL, but you need to include your credit card or debit card for the billing information. So if you don't want to provide those information, then you can simply select this GitHub option and you can click on create new repository. And after that, you can name your repository anything you like relevant to your website. For example, I am creating the Valora real estate, and after that you can simply put the repository description as well. If you are doing it for the first time, it might ask you to create a GitHub account and sign in here. Okay, so this is completely normal, but I have already logged in, so I can simply create a repository, and after that putting the description, I have selected to create a private repository. And now the code will be synced and the private repository will be created on my GitHub account. Okay, and once that's done, you can simply click on push to GitHub and all the codes will be pushed into your repository. Amazing. So after that, you can simply click on this open in GitHub, and as you can see, all the codes are being synced automatically from Google AI Studio to GitHub. So if you will make any changes in Google AI Studio website version, then it will be automatically pushed to your GitHub. Amazing, right? So this is how you can simply view your codes. Now let me show you how can you put this code on live URL. Okay, so you can send it to any client you like. Okay, so in order to do that, we will use a free service called Netlify, which is used by the developers worldwide to test the website. So I have logged in into my account, and after that I need to simply click on add new project, and I will import my Git repository into it. So I need to log in and authorize. After authorization, you will be able to select the GitHub repository which you want to deploy on your Netlify server. Okay, so you can scroll down. If you have multiple projects, I have multiple projects, so I need to go on page 2. And after that, here is our project. So let me simply select that, and under the project name you should put something relevant because it will be go into the URL of your website. For example, I am going to put the Valora real estate, so it will be the Valora real estate.netlify.f as my URL. Okay, so amazing. After that, simply click on deploy and it will start deploying your website on the Netlify server directly from GitHub. And after that, our URL is ready. Let me simply click and verify the changes. And amazing guys, our website is now live, and you can simply copy this URL and send it to any client you like, to whom you want to pitch this kind of website. Amazing, right? So this is how you can simply create an amazing looking website for free, and you can host it for free and send it to any client, and you can close the deals. Okay, so make sure to follow this step, and you can find lots of clients on Google Map without a website, so you can go and pitch your services to them using the phone number or using their email. And if you are a business owner, then you can simply create a website for you within minutes. Okay, and it's fully tailored and custom, and you will be able to edit it however you like. So let me know what do you think about this video and this kind of websites. If you have liked this video, make sure to like this video and comment on this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that they can start their online website development journey all for free. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.